Guys, what's going on? I'm just here to give you a brief update on the progression of my weight. Right? I'm recording this a little after my rest day. I just want to update you guys. So when I weighed in at 168 pounds. When is it? That was May 22nd. On May 16th, I was 163 pounds. So that's a 5-pound increase within a week. It's quite a lot, but I'm not complaining. Before I wasn't really eating a lot of food. Now I'm having probably way too many calories. It's okay. When I first started the bulking, I weighed in, not the bulking, when I first started back at the gym, it was May 8th. I took these pictures. You can see them here, right? And I was 160 pounds, really light. Yes, really light. So that's a 8-pound increase already. If you look at the two pictures side by side, I can't really notice a difference. Probably won't notice a difference until I hit probably like 185, 190. Start packing on the muscle. There's going to be a little bit of fat gain, but that's okay because after I hit when I hit 250, I'm going to do a nice little cut. Yes, Lynx, what's up, buddy? Yes. What's up? Okay. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you this quick little update. I'm excited for the future. Last time I did this, I thought I was having 4,000 calories, but it was actually 3,800. And the heavier I was getting, I was only gaining 2 pounds a week. So it's probably going to level out soon, right? And yeah, just excited for the future. So this is just a quick update of the weight gain. I'll see you in the next video later.